Hey friends, do you wish to disable widgets on your computer? First of all, know what widgets are. You must have heard about the news and interest app, and that comes as widgets now. So in your Windows 11 computer, you'll find it at the right bottom corner, and when you click on it, you'll find the options for temperature, location, air quality, the stock market, the news, and traffic summary and all. And I actually believe that this is a very useful application. However, if you do not like it, I can understand it. And if you wish to disable it, here's how you can do it. Right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. Now go to this taskbar items panel and you'll find this switch for widgets. It is turned on by default. All you need to do is turn it off and widgets have disappeared. You can check there's no widgets at the bottom right corner, bottom left corner. However, if you wish to enable them, then simply turn the switch on. Was this helpful? If yes, then let us know in the comment section of this video. And if not, then still let us know in the comment section of this video. Though I think it should definitely work. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.